we strongly believe that libraries has the potential to be more than just book lending centers. ಸೊ ಹಾದಿಬದಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿನ ರೂಪನಗರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ 2019 Jan. So that's around the time when Article 370 was scrapped off and children were talking very passionately about it. We had such an interesting conversation that some of the members from our library decided that they will form a Hadibadi Community Library Constitution.
Hadibadi Constitution, Article 3, right to read books, right to equal opportunity.
What will be their rights, what will be their duties, and why did they need constitution in the first place? This kind of a critical discourse is often absent in our schools. This is exactly in between Silk Board and Bommanahadli. This is a place where is a lot of working class community live. A lot of garment goers, cab drivers, construction workers. My mother was a garment laborer. ನನಗೆ ಸೀರೆ ನೇಯ್ದಿದ್ದು ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಮ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀರೆ ನೇಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Boys, so to speak, manage to find their spaces in the roads and streets, but it's not the same case for the girl children. It is this safe space which can give access to things that they are looking for. Provide them space wherein they find something that they enjoy with. It could be a song, or somebody else with painting, or somebody else with wanting to tell story coming here on the stage as an actor. For us, it's all about, I think, providing that space and also making all of this available for free. This is why the thoughts and writings of Ambedkar, the works of Phule, the works of Periyar become so much important, and we go on to continuously engage with their writings. It is very essential, I think, to bring back the discussion, make them know about, learn about these people. That is where the role of community libraries is so much important, because it allows for them to reflect and rethink and get a chance for them to look at it from different perspectives.